This is removing the lower receiver for the EMF200. Before we can remove the lower receiver, first thing we need to do is remove the drivetrain. That's because the POPs bonnet here at the back actually holds the rear of the frame in place. So remove the drivetrain locking screw, place that into the retaining hole in the back here just for storage, slide out the drivetrain, place that to one side. Now we need to remove the two frame pins. We'll need 2 hex keys to do that, one from either side. We'll just remove the retaining screw from each of these. Once the retaining screws have been removed, we can just push both the retaining pins out, one from the front and one from the rear, all the way through. Place those to the side. Both pins removed, simply separate the lower receiver from the body. Side here you can see the trigger mechanism, and you can see part of your mag release mechanism. You'll also see on the bottom of the body here we have the 3-way housing. In order to reassemble, we just do the same in reverse. There is a correct way for the pins to go through. The large head of the frame pins goes, receive pins goes on the left hand side of the body. I find it's a bit easier to put the front one in first, rear one will be tighter. Push those all the way down and flip it over and put the retaining screws back in place. Those in loosely to start with, and then we'll go back to hex key on both sides, just tighten those back up into place. Don't have to be over tight, just to stop the pins sliding out during use. So those screws are back in place. You can reattach the drivetrain, slide that back into the body, put the locking screw back in place and just finger tie that down. And that is removing and replacing the low receiver on the EMF200.